Hey guys, welcome back to AK Doodles. Today I'm going to be doing a viewer request video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw a shiny pebble. Ding! You're recording. I'm going to be doing a pebble with a round pebble. So I'm going to be using a perfect set square to do that. As you can see, I'm going to use the biggest circle here. Just draw a circle all around it. Make it little dark. And now let's do the shading on it. I'm going to start with this corner. I'm going to draw it dark over here, around the edges, and then shade the light area. And now again after the light area, shade. I'm going to shade darker around the lighted area and then again start shading lightly. And now I'm going to give a shade effect over here. And shade the rest of the area in as well. Now all you have to do is give it a shadow around one edge. I'm going to do it around this side. And now you can go ahead and make your shadings darker. I would also recommend doing the outline of the marble a little darker. There you go, how to draw a marble with using shading. Okay guys, let me know how you like that video. Please like, comment down below and subscribe.